Go ahead.
1, 2, 5,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yeah, it takes
12.
an Elite 8 pull out
Now
for me and you're
close
working.
the holes, okay?
Count the colors? Okay.
Now put in there. We shall put in there. Hey, put eggs in there. Ah, put these blue ones. Eggs, these blue ones, Mommy. Let's put right here. Let's put right here. Let's put right here.
You put the eggs there?
Yes.
Is the duck going to hold some?
Let's put in there. Please. A little cold. Okay. Now just hot.
They're not hot.
Yes, right, Mommy. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, lime green.
The blue's in there. It's chicken. This one. See this one.
What color is that one?
Look. Blue. That's me. That's Davin's.
That one's Gavin's. What's on the egg?
Hello.
G.
Hello.
A G? Let me see the G. There it is.
Down there, look at the other one. Okay. Put it here.
Go ahead, put it in there.
There you go.
Is it going to turn purple?
Yes. Yes, the head. Everywhere fire.
Oh, it looks neat.
See?
You want to pull it out and see it? Wow.
I like the other one. Egg.
What's on that egg? What's on that egg?
Took it.
What's on it? What's the picture on there?
Let's do make a blue one.
Who's on that egg? Look at the picture. Who is it?
Egg.
Who's on that egg? Who's on it?
Mommy.
Who else? Gavin?